In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to activate Apple Intelligence. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily enable Apple Intelligence for your iPhone or your iPad. You can also use Apple Intelligence on a Mac, however, to enable it, it is going to be on slightly different menus. So before I start, you will need to be on iOS 18 or iPadOS 18. I'm gonna teach you how to perform the update in a bit. And the next thing that I need to make very clear is that Apple Intelligence is only available for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max versions. And if you have the iPhone 16, then it is going to be available for every single one. So the standard one, the Pro version, and then the Pro Max. So keep that in mind. If you have the standard iPhone 15 or any other older iPhone model, you will not be able to use Apple Intelligence. If you are unsure if your particular model supports it, then make sure to research on Google. Now, to update to iOS 18 or iPadOS 18, go into the settings, access the general category, and you will find software update. So choose software update from the list, and now you can see if you have the update to iOS 18 available. If you have it here, then choose the option to perform the update and wait until it is fully downloaded and installed. Once you have iOS 18 set up and running, you will find Apple Intelligence and Siri available under the general settings. So you will see General, Accessibility, and underneath these two options right here, you will find Apple Intelligence. All that you have to do now is enable or disable it accordingly, according to your preferences. So you will see this pop up here with all of the features included in Apple Intelligence, and if you want to use it, just make sure that the option is ticked on. And once it is enabled, Apple Intelligence will now receive all of your requests. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off Apple Intelligence or how to activate Apple Intelligence. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.